हाय एवरीवन, वेलकम टू द नॉलेज लवर्स। आज की वीडियो में हम डिस्कस करेंगे पेडागोजी एमसीक्यूज पार्ट 2। आप लोगों ने इस वीडियो को आखिर तक देखना है और आगे आने वाले वीडियोस के लिए चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना नहीं भूलना और बेल का आइकन भी दबाएं ताकि अपकमिंग जितने भी पेडागोजी से रिलेटेड और दूसरे कंटेंट आप लोग देख सके। थैंक यू सो मच फॉर वॉचिंग। अभी हम जाएंगे एमसीक्यूज की तरफ। The branch of philosophy focuses on the nature of reality is dash. A. Connectionism. B. Epistemology. C. Metaphysics. D. Pedagogy. So the right answer is going to be metaphysics. In education, dash is used to make inference about the learning and the development of students. A. Assessment. B. Evaluation. C. Measurement. And D. Diagnosis. So the right answer would be A. Assessment. Educational psychology is concerned with the scientific study of dash. A. Education. B. Philosophy of education. C. Human learning. D. Technical methods. So the right answer would be human learning. Progressive education emphasizes learning by dash. A. Reading. B. Writing. C. Doing. And D. Enjoying. So the right answer would be C. It is doing. According to famous philosophers, teaching is a in dash. A. Art. B. Arts. C. Science. D. Technique. The right answer would be art. A is the right answer. According to John Davy, which side of the educational process is the basis? A. Economical. B. Sociological. C. Philosophical. And D. Psychological. Right answer would be psychological. The role of teacher in inquiry-based learning is of dash. A. Instructor. B. Facilitator. C. Delegator. Or D. Formal authority. The right answer would be facilitator. It is B. In cooperative learning method, the role of teacher is of dash. A. A facilitator. B. A delegator. C. Facilitator and delegator. And D. Delegator and a formal authority. The right answer would be it is C. Facilitator and delegator. Dialectic method of inquiry was contributed by dash. A. Socrates. B. Plato. C. Aristotle. And D. John Davy. Right answer would be Socrates. The psychomotor domain involves A. Learning. B. Knowledge. C. Manner. D. Physical movement. Right answer would be physical movement. It is D. The skill when students try to build abstract knowledge is called A. Originating. B. Characterizing. C. Evaluating. Or D. Synthesizing. So the right answer would be B. Characterizing. An assessment used to determine a person's ability in a particular field of studies is called A. Aptitude test. B. Diagnostic test. C. Evaluation. And D. Measurement. Right answer would be aptitude test. Which act of teacher foster a sense of autonomy in the learning process? A. Instructor. B. Facilitator. C. Delegator. Or D. Formal authority. Right answer would be delegator. It is C. A teacher is considered successful only if he dash. A. Understands his subject. well. B. Get his articles published in popular magazine. C. Gives 100% um, examination result. And D. Is gentle and easy approachable. So the right answer would be, it is D. Is gentle and easily approachable. Before accepting the teaching profession, one must know A. The study of the teacher. B. The pay scale of teacher. C. The future prospects of his profession. And D. The benefits available to teachers. So C is the right answer. Women are given preferences in teaching of primary children. A. She is emotionally understanding. B. She can also cry. C. Students don't get scared. D. Men don't like this profession. A. She is emotionally understanding. The use of internet for students in their educational activities is, in your opinion, A. Takes the place of the teacher. B. Medium for good teaching. C. The wastage of precious time. And D is good medium of entertainment. Right answer would be B. Medium of good teaching. The teaching approach in which students share knowledge with other students through a variety of structures is known as A. Cooperative classroom model. B. Cooperative behavior model. C. Cooperative learning model. D. None of these. The right answer would be, it is cooperative learning model. When students are asked to leave the classroom to observe events, organisms, and objects in their natural surroundings, the teacher is actually using their strategy to teach them. A. Field observations. B. Field trips. C. Class observation. And D. None of these. The right answer is field observations. Traditionally, the cards with a question, problem, or fact on one side and the answer or a related fact on the other side are called A. Observations card. B. Play cards. C. Flash cards. D. Note cards. So the right answer would be, it's flash cards. C is right answer. So thank you so much for watching. These were the 20 MCQs. You have enjoyed a lot, I think, and I hope that you people will subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. Allah Hafiz.